Trading family, what is good? Question for you. Have you ever tried to ferment your own grapes and make wine? Have you ever tried? It's bitter, it's nasty in the beginning, it's ugly, it's disgusting. But over time it gets better. And that's the thing, and that's the beauty about learning anything, whatever you're learning, whatever you're going to school for, whatever you want to learn, if you're striving to become a successful trader. The great thing about the process is seeing the progress over time. You're going to get better over time. You're not good today. You may not be good today. I'm not at my peak performance today, but I know over time, I'm going to get better. I will get better over time. And that is the secret to the process. It's not quitting midway. So if you want to learn how to trade and you're frustrated, just be patient with yourself and understand that you will make it. It's funny, there's a guy in the gang in my community, Rosso. Shout out to Rosso. He reminded me yesterday on the Zoom. He says, I remember when you were just posting up, $100 days. And yeah, I was posting up just $100 days. And now, my numbers are bigger. There are people that are doing it way bigger than me. I'll get there. I have the same challenges that you all have that are starting out. I'm more successful in terms of my trades and, my wins and such, but the challenges are the same. I want to level up, but it's going to take time. It's going to take a minute for me to get to those levels, to those higher levels. So, I'm going to be patient with myself and I'm going to grow. So, if you want to learn to trade, join the community. There's a lot of talent. There's a lot of, people in the community that are very talented, that really know how to articulate themselves well enough to help you with your knowledge and understand what you need to learn. I'm there for you. I do the same. I help you learn and help you read the charts so that you know how to navigate the markets. That's what you get with my indicator. My indicator helps with, and EA helps you with your learning experience because it helps you navigate the markets. Okay? So if you want to learn how to trade, you need to join the community now. Things are really going well, and from the first version of the lightning bolt till today, it surpasses. It's really, really impressive to see the growth in the EA itself. Now individuals they're getting their trend lines. Those trend lines are automatic. You don't have to install anything or download anything. They're automatic. You take partials. You don't know where to take your partials. Automatically taking your partials. It's showing you, it's demonstrating to you and where to take your partials, where to exit, and that should then be something that you absorb over time to see how and when it takes these partials so that you can educate yourself. So if you want to learn how to trade, don't hesitate. Join today. I'm here to teach you. Peace.